If your wallet's slim, but your gaming dreams are big, this $600 build is your ticket to glory. First, grab the AMD Ryzen 5 3600 for $170. 6 cores of pure power. Pair it with the ASRock B450M Pro 4 motherboard at just $75. For RAM, go with Corsair Vengeance LPX, 16GB for $50. Perfect for gaming. Speed up with a Crucial P3 500GB NVMe SSD for $45. Power it all with the EVGA 600W PSU, only $50. Keep it cool in the Cooler Master Box Q300L case for another $50. Finally, hunt down a used NVIDIA GTX 1650 or AMD RX 570 for around $150. Boom! $600 for a killer setup. Game on!